Hello, mathematicians. Today we are on Math Message 1-6. It says, how long is math class? This one is on journal page 10. So open up your journal page. It should look just like this. Okay, let's get started. It says, Sheena's math class began at 9:55 a.m. and ended at 11:10 a.m. I know that this is happening in the morning. It starts in the morning and it ends in the morning because we have that AM. Remember, PM is later in the afternoon, like after lunchtime. So it says she started to figure out how long the class lasted. She used a number line. Here is her number line. I see lots of numbers and hops on it. We'll look at it some more. Then it says use Sheena's number line to complete the problem. Tell the length of time in hours and minutes. Math class lasted blank hour and blank minutes. Explain Sheena's strategy to your partner. Okay, at home you might not have a partner, but share it to maybe your parents or your adult or someone watching you or your pet. It could be a pet dog. It could be a pet goldfish. It could be your stuffed animal. Just share what you think Sheena did on her number line and does it make sense? Then see if you can figure out how long math class had lasted. Put in the hours here and the minutes here. Put me on pause, complete that, share out what your ideas are, and then unpause me to get the answer. All right, if you are back, that means you've shared what you think the number line is about and how she was doing it, and you have answers here. Okay, let's take a look at this number line. I'll grab a different color real quick. I see she started at 9:55. Does that make sense? The very beginning. Oh, look, her class began at 9:55. That makes sense to me. Then it ends at 11:10, which, oh, look, her class ends at 11:10. I get that, but she didn't write it in right away. Maybe she did. I don't know. But let's take a hop on here. It says 9:55 and then she hops 5 minutes. Why would she hop 5 minutes to get to 10 o'clock, right? If I add 5 minutes to 55, it brings me to 60, but I know I don't write 9:60. It just goes right to that next hour. So it's 10 o'clock. So now we're at 10. Is 10 an easy number to hop by? Do I know that if I add 1 hour, it's just 11 o'clock, right? I need to get to 11 something. So she adds 1 whole hour, but she was thinking that the zeros are easy to work with. Amazing. So now we're at 11 and we need to get to 11:10. And she jumped 10 more minutes to get to 11:10. Ooh, that makes sense to me. I think nice job, Sheena. Now we figured out how long math class is, but we need an answer. How are we going to figure out the hours and minutes from her number line? Well, I see there's 1 hour and I see there's 5 minutes and 10 minutes. So first I'm going to add my minutes together because if they add more than 60, I'm going to have another hour. 10 minutes plus 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to add them on the side. I'm going to cross out this one because I'm adding them. I'm going to cross out this one because I'm adding them. 10 plus 5. Well, we always start in our one spot. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Then we go over to our tens. 1 plus nothing is 1. So I have 15 minutes. Is it more than 60? Nope, it is less than 60. So I can just leave it at 15 minutes. Awesome. Then it says hours. How many hours? Well, the only thing left is I have 1 hour and I don't need to add anything to it. So math class lasted 1 hour and 15 minutes. Great. If you do not have this written in your math journal, please write the correct answer, then take a picture and upload it to your teacher. Meet me for the next video.